Aloe vera is extensively used in beauty products nowadays, thanks to its antibacterial and antiviral properties and the ability to keep your skin and hair healthy. The gel is made up of around 96% water and many vitamins and minerals that tend to take care of both skin and hair. Aloe vera gel for dark circles. Aloe vera soothes the skin and hydrates it. Its nourishing properties reduce the pigmentation under the eye and make the sensitive skin in that area healthier. Apply fresh aloe vera gel under your eyes and massage for a few seconds. Leave it on for about 10 to 12 minutes. Clean with a moist cotton pad. Do this once during the day and once before going to bed. Aloe vera and rose water. Take equal amount of aloe vera gel and rose water in a bowl. Mix it very well. Apply this mixture around your eyes, including the area that is too dark. Give massage continuously for about 15 minutes. Then you can wash it completely. Aloe vera and vitamin E. Take 1 capsule and pierce it. Put the entire content into 2 teaspoons full of aloe vera gel. Mix the ingredients very well. Get this liquid in a cotton ball and use this to spread it around the area, covering the eyes. You can give a gentle massage with your fingertips and leave the pack dry for 15 minutes, and then you can wash it off.